Hi, my name is Ana Granados. I belong to the Industrial Engineer program and I'm in the Strategic Management course. So this is the phase 3 of the strategic proposal. So I'm going to do the individual part about the Kodak case. So first, we have to do an Ishikawa diagram of the problem with the cause consequence of the situation that faced the company in the case. Okay, so this is the Ishikawa diagrams of the Kodak company decline. So first we have the financial risk. So this is because the decline to change of customs the pressures for shareholders. Second, we have the duality between companies. We have this cause technological outdated and advantage for competitors. The next that we have, the next item is the inconsistent leaderships. So the cause is the company diversification and a different objectives. So the last part that we have is the stagnations. So the cause is the lack of technological investment and the ingrained traditionalism. So this is the Ishikawa diagram and the activity individual of the strategic management.